Well, this is Vintage Fan Collector 1939, and here we have this freshly restored Emerson 29646 from 1922 to 1925. This is at an antique store right now, and I don't think I'm gonna buy it, but it's a really cool model. Excuse the grandfather clock going off right now. Here, this one, it has Parker stamped into the blades. And here's the oscillator. I don't really want to grab back there and try to mess with it, but I will turn it on for you. Here's this really beautiful fan cord right here. But here is low speed. That's low speed. And this was your air conditioner back in the day, back in the 20s. There's the plug back there. This is low speed at 120 volts. We don't have power data right now, but because I didn't bring my Variac, I'm really not supposed to. But this is low speed. We'll go to medium. Medium. A little more powerful, and there's high. This fan is insane. No felt on the base though. This is a really nice model. Go ahead, do a spin down. I really hope I don't get a copyright strike because of the music. So anyway, the way these work, these Emerson motors, they have a spiral groove inside of there, or a shaft in there with the spiral grooves cut into it, and the rotor sits on this hollow shaft with the spiral grooves cut into it. And when the fan is running, whenever the fan is running, it carries the oil into the bearing surface. Whoa. And that's how that works, how the fan gets the oil lubrication. Where's the oil thing on it? There it is back there. That's the main reason why these Emersons have lasted so long. So there that is. I love that older badge. Anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.